Want to make money by clicking simple ads? Then this video is for you. I found 4 beginner-friendly apps that anyone can use to start making money today. The first app in our list is Freecash. If you have been around the make money online space, you have probably heard of Freecash. And for good reason. It's one of the highest paying GPT platforms out there and works in every country. But there is something most people miss. Freecash actually has a secret paid to click feature that not many users even know exists. To find it, head over to the offer section and look for a provider called TimeWall. Once inside TimeWall, you will find a clicks section. All you have to do is verify a CAPTCHA, click on an ad, wait for a few seconds, sometimes just 5 seconds, and boom, your points are added directly to your Freecash balance. For example, I saw one ad that gave 42 points for 5 seconds. That's more than what many so-called PTC sites offer for the same effort. But let me tell you, if you want to make more money from Freecash in less time, then try the other ways in Freecash. For example, make money online by playing games, downloading apps, completing different offers. When you make some cash, you can withdraw it through PayPal, Visa, or cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Next in the list we have PawnsApp. Want to make money online without lifting a finger? Then you need to check out the PawnsApp. It's one of the few platforms that literally pays you for doing nothing. Here is how it works. Download the app on your phone or computer, hit the share internet button, and that's it. As long as you are connected to Wi-Fi, you will start earning passively in the background, even while you are watching YouTube, working, or using other PTC sites. You can also boost your income by completing paid surveys and simple tasks inside the app. Minimum withdrawal is just $5, and you can cash out via PayPal, Bitcoin, or choose from a variety of gift cards. Works globally, yes, from any country. So if you want to double dip while you click ads on other platforms, let Pawns quietly run in the background and turn your unused internet into real cash. Next in the list we have TimeBucks. TimeBucks is another platform that pays you for clicking simple ads. Here is the deal. Inside the platform, head to the earn section and look for push clicks. You can earn by simply clicking notifications up to 12 times per day, with a new one available every 2 hours. Just one tap and the money starts rolling in. The amount you earn per click depends on how much you have earned overall. The more active you are, the more you get per click. Here is the bonus. There is even a chance to win up to $10 per click if you are lucky. But TimeBucks doesn't stop there. It also offers surveys, games, and tasks, and even content creation gigs. And yes, it's available worldwide. Whether you are scrolling through your phone or sipping your coffee, TimeBucks makes every spare minute worth something. So try it now. The next step in our list is permission.io. What if brands paid you for just allowing them to show you ads? That's exactly what permission.io does, and it's changing the game. Here is how it works. Instead of random ads popping up everywhere, permission lets you opt in to share your data with advertisers and reward you in ASK crypto tokens every time you agree. Just click opt-in, approve the offer, and boom, you get paid. You can cash out your ASK tokens as crypto or swap them for gift cards. Super fast, zero investment, and available to users around the world. If you are tired of giving away your data for free, permission.io gives you control and rewards you for it.